How to make a video collage on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Now at the bottom you're gonna find a fun option. Navigate to the plus option given at the bottom middle. Now at the bottom you're gonna find a fun option. Set it to reel. Then click on the camera icon. Once your camera opens up, here you're gonna find the option of layout. Click on that. Click on the option of change grid. Now from here you can select any of the collage. Once it's selected, shoot the video. Now shoot another video. Go ahead and shoot all the videos. Once completion of it, click on next. And here is your video collage. Now at the bottom you're gonna find the fun features of Instagram. You can use these features and edit this video. Once you do that, click on next. Now from here you can add a caption, tag people and click on share. So this way you can easily make a video collage on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.